Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the world of mathematics, and your teacher is Hammad Hussein. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 3, that is integration of class 2nd year. What is integration? The reverse or inverse process of differentiation is called antiderivative or integration. The reverse process or the inverse of process of differentiation is called antiderivative or integration. Antiderivative or integration. We use differential of variables while applying method of substitution in integrating process. We use differential of variable while applying method of substitution in integrating process. So first of all, we will use differentials of variables. What is mean by differentials of variables? Let f be the differentiable function in the interval a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b, defined as y is equal to f of x. Y is equal to f of x, or by chain rule by applying first principle ab initio method or definition, replace y by y plus del y and x by x plus del x. We have del y is equal to f of x plus del x minus f of x. Second step of those methods. The next step will be divided by del x on both sides and applying the limit. We have limit del x approaches to 0 and del y over del x is equal to limit del x approaches to 0 f of x plus del x minus f of x divided by del x. Left hand side is equal to dy by dx and right hand side is equal to f dash of x. F dash of x. We know that before limit is reached, del y by del x differ from f dash of x be a very small real number epsilon. Very small real number epsilon. Del y by del x differ from f dash of x be a very small real number epsilon. So we can replace del y by del x is equal to f dash of x plus epsilon, where epsilon is very small. Where epsilon is very small. So multiplying by del x on both sides, we have del y is equal to f dash of x del x plus epsilon del x plus epsilon del x. The term f dash of x del x being more important than the term x epsilon del x. Why? Because epsilon is so small and del x is also small. So this term can be neglected or negligible and is called the differential of dependent variable y and is denoted by dy or df. dy or df. And this del y is equal to f dash of x dx, and this term can be neglected. So this means that differential of y and is denoted by dy. So dy is equal to f dash of x d delta x. F dash of x delta x. And what is the value of y? Value of y is f of x. So differential of y is derivative of y, that is derivative of f dash of x with delta x. Now assume that we have differential of x. Differential of x means that derivative of x with del x according to equation number 2, and derivative of x is 1. So dx is equal to delta x. So dy is equal to f dash of x delta x can be written as dy is equal to f dash of x dx. dy is equal to f dash of x dx, which means that whenever we take the differential, we have derivative with dx. So as assume that if we are going to applying the differential on y is equal to xk, left hand side is equal to dy and right hand side derivative of x square. Derivative of x square is 2x with dx. So differential of y is equal to x square is dy is equal to 2x dx. dy is equal to 2x dx. Now we can see that delta y is equal to dy according to this. Now what is the behavior of dy and delta y? dy and delta y. What is difference between dy and delta y? Suppose that we have a function which are the graph of this pink or purple or any color line. This point is x and this is x plus delta x. The delta x can be written as in this form, x plus delta x, and the corresponding value of x is f of x. So the coordinate of point P is x and f of x, and x plus del x corresponding value of y is f of x plus del x, and the components or coordinates of q is q of x plus del x comma f of x plus del x. Let p x and f of x and q x plus del x and f of x be the point on any graph f, and we know that del x is equal to dx, and according to the definition we know that delta y is equal to f of x plus del x minus f of x, and this x and this is x plus del x, so this distance is delta x, this distance is delta x, and this is f of x and this is f plus or you can say that this is x y and this point is y plus del y. So this distance is delta y distance. This distance is delta y distance. The slope of tangent line PA. Slope of tangent line PA is the derivative of f dash of x. As we have studied earlier in chapter number 2 that the slope of tangent line represents the derivative. In here in our case slope of PA, which is tangent line to the graph f, is the derivative of f of x. Thus, the directed distance from A to B, the distance from A to B, distance from A to B, we say dy is equal to f dash of x dx. How dy is equal to f dash of x dx? Here we use tangent rule. Why? Because we have right angle triangle PBA and the ratio of tan theta is perpendicular our base. Perpendicular is dy and the base is delta x or dx. So tan alpha is equal to dy by dx, cross multiply, and we know that tan alpha is equal to f dash of x, so dy is equal to f dash of x dx. Therefore dy represents the amount that the tangent line rises or falls. dy is the amount as the tangent line rises or fall, and delta y represent the amount that curve y is equal to f of x rises or fall when x changing by amount dx, x changing by the amount dx, x चेंजिंग बाय द अमाउंट डी एक्स. स्टूडेंट देखें जी, अगर ये हमारे पास एक डेल्टा एक्स का डिस्टेंस कम होता जाए या अप्रोचेस टू ज़ीरो हो, विच मीन्स डैट कि ये डेल्टा एक्स वाली लाइन जो है ये एक्स के करीब जाती जाए, करीब जाती जाए. जब ये वाली लाइन जो हम लोगों ने निकाली थी जो टेंजेंट को टच कर रही थी एट पॉइंट ए पे और कर्व को भी जाकर टच कर रही थी, तो ये वाली जो लाइन है ये भी नीचे मूव करती जाएगी और ये जो ऊपर पॉइंट आ रहे हैं ये भी नीचे मूव करता जाएगा. सपोज करें कि यहाँ से ये जो डिस्टेंस है डी वाई और डेल वाई के दरमियान अभी जो 5 का डिफरेंस आ रहा है, जब ये पॉइंट इधर आ जाएगा तो ज़ाहिर बात है ये वाला पॉइंट भी नीचे आएगा तो फिर इनका डिफरेंस और कम होता जाएगा, कम होता जाएगा, कम होता जाएगा और एक पॉइंट ऐसा आएगा कि इनका डिस्टेंस बिल्कुल आपस में क्या हो जाएगा, इक्वल हो जाएगा. अप्रॉक्सीमेटली इक्वल होगा, एग्जैक्टली इक्वल नहीं होगा. तो ये वो चीज़ लिखी हुई है. नोटिस दैट अप्रॉक्सीमेशन डेल्टा वाई इज इक्वल टू डी वाई बिकम बेटर एज डेल एक्स बिकम स्मॉलर. जितना जितना डेल एक्स छोटा होता जाएगा इतना इतना ही डेल वाई और डी वाई की वैल्यूज सेम आती जाएंगी. सो डेल वाई इज अप्रॉक्सीमेटली इक्वल टू डी वाई. Since Del y is equal to f of a plus del x minus f of a, and this f of a plus del x minus f over a is approximately equal to dy. Why? Because delta y is approximately equal to dy. And when this take f of a to the right hand side, it will become f of a plus del x is approximately equal to f of a plus dy. Here we will use f of x plus del x is equal to f of x plus dy. F of x plus dy. What is difference between derivative and differentials? What is difference between derivative and differential? Derivative is a change in a function. Derivative is a change in a function, or differential is a change in a variable. Derivative is a change in a function and differential is a change in a variable. A function is a relationship between two variables, so derivative is also a ratio of differential. dy by dx, dy by dx, dy by dx, ratio of differential of y divided by differential of x. Or other definition, differential means change, while derivative means change with respect to another change. Differential means change, while derivative means change with respect to another change. These are the two basic definition or difference between derivative and differentials. Now we will move to exercise 3.1 chapter number 3, that is differentiation. Question number 1. Find dy and delta y in the following cases. Dy and delta y in the following cases. Part number 1 is y is equal to x square minus 1 and x changes from 3 to 3.02, which means that the value of x is 3 and del x can be found by 3.02 minus 3. X is equal to 3 and del x is equal to 3.02 minus 3, that is 0.02. 0.02. Replace y by y plus del y and x by x plus del x. Take y to the right hand side and replace the value of y, that is x square minus 1, signs change, minus 1 cancel out with this plus 1, so del y is equal to x plus del x whole square minus x square. Now replace the value of x and del x. What is the value of x? The value of x is 3 and the value of del x is 0.02. 3 plus 0.02 whole square minus 3 whole square, and we have del y is equal to 0.1204. Del y is equal to 0.1204. Now differential, dy is equal to differential of x square minus 1. Dy as it is, and differential of x square is 2x with dx, and derivative of 1 is 0. 0 into dx is 0. So dy is equal to 2x dx. Replace the value of x, that is 3, and value of delta x or dx, that is 0.02. We have dy is equal to 0.12. स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ आपने ये बात ज़हन में रखनी है कि ये डेल्टा वाई तो हम लोग अपनी इजीली निकाल सकते हैं। तो जब भी आप लोग डिफरेंशियल लेंगे किसी भी फंक्शन का या किसी भी वेरिएबल का, डेरिवेटिव जो होता है वो हमारे पास चेंज होती हैं विद रिस्पेक्ट टू फंक्शन, और ये होती हैं विद रिस्पेक्ट टू वेरिएबल। तो y के साथ तो एज इट इज़ आ जाएगा। अब ये हमारे पास एक्स स्क्वायर है, ठीक है, एक्स स्क्वायर में हम लोग पावर रूल लगाएंगे, वो हमारे पास क्या बन जाएगा 2x, और साथ dx लाजमी लिखेंगे। अगर यहाँ y की कोई पावर होती तो हम पावर रूल लगा के dy लाजमी लिखते। तो जो वेरिएबल होगा उसकी चेंज लाजमी लिखनी है हमने साथ। अब ये 1 है, 1 का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है हमारे पास 0, तो 0 साथ dx लिखा होता है, मगर 0 इंटू dx कोई मैनी नहीं रखता, इस वजह से हम लोगों ने यहाँ नहीं लिखा। तो बस आप लोगों ने याद रखना है कि जब भी हम लोग डिफरेंशियल अप्लाई करेंगे, डेरिवेटिव लेंगे और जो भी हमारे पास वेरिएबल होगा उसके वो लिखेंगे d के साथ। अगर x है तो dx y है तो क्या हो जाएगा हमारे पास dy। फिर वैल्यू रिप्लेस कर देंगे, आंसर आ जाएगा 0.12। आप देख सकते हैं डेल y का आंसर आ रहा है 0.1204 और dy का आंसर आ रहा है 0.12। तो दोनों के दरमियान बिल्कुल माइनर सा डिफरेंस है। दैट्स वाई वी कैन से delta y is approximately equal to dy। Now part number 3, y is equal to square root of x and x changes from 4 to 4.41. Y is equal to square root of x means that x raised to power 1 by 2. Here x is 4 and del x is 4.41 minus 4. Second minus first we have del x is equal to 0.41. Replace x by del x by x plus del x and y by y plus del y. Take y on the right hand side and replace the value. We have del y is equal to x plus del x raised to power 1 by 2 minus x raised to power 1 by 2. Replace the values of x and del x. We have 2.1 minus 2, that is 0.1 is the value of delta y. Now applying the differential, here y dy is, here we will use power rule। पावर नीचे, पावर में से एक कम, साथ क्या आ जाएगा हमारे पास dx, जैसे मैंने आप लोगों को अर्लियर बताया है। तो x रेस टू पावर माइनस 1/2 जब डिनोमिनेटर में जाएगा तो हो जाएगा x रेस टू पावर 1/2 और साथ क्या आ गया dx। x की जगह पुट कर दिया 4 और dx से डेल x की जगह पुट करना है हमने 0.41। 4 रेस टू पावर 1/2 का मतलब होता है 2 इंटू 2 इज 4, 0.41 डिवाइडेड बाय 4, आंसर आ जाएगा 0.1025। तो यू कैन से दैट delta y is approximately equal to dy। delta y is approximately equal to dy। Assignment is delta y and dy where y is equal to x cube minus 2x minus 1. Y is equal to x cube minus 2x minus 1. Here x changes from 2 to 2.1. Here x is 2. Delta x will be 2.1 minus 2, that is 0.1. Replace y by y plus del y, x by x plus del x, x by x plus del x. Replace the value of y and then replace the value of x and del x. We will get final result of delta y. And for the value of dy, applying the differential, left hand side will be dy, right hand side will be 3x square dx minus 2 dx minus 0 dx means that 3x square dx minus 2 dx. Replace the values of x and dx, we will get the final result. This question is your assignment. Now, question number 2. Use differential to find the values of dy by dx and dx by dy. First part is xy plus x is equal to 4. Here, two functions are in the form of product. So, we will use product rule. Taking differential on the both side, d of xy plus dx is equal to d of 4. Derivative of 4 is 0, so differential of 4 is also 0. X as it is, differential of y, plus y as it is, differential of x plus dx. Take dx common from these two terms, we have x dy plus y plus 1 dx is equal to 0. Take dx term to the right hand side, it will become minus time y plus 1 dx. Dy to the left hand side and this x to the right hand side, we have dy by dx is equal to minus time y plus 1 over x. And for the value of dx by dy, taking reciprocal on both sides, left hand side will become dx by dy and right hand side will become minus x over y plus 1. Minus x over y plus 1. The third part is x4 plus y square is equal to xy square. X raised to power 4 plus y square is equal to xy square. Taking differential, d of x4 plus d of y square is equal to d of xy square. D of x4 means that derivative of x4, which is 4x cube with dx. Derivative of y square is 2y with dy, and here we will use product rule. X as it is, differential of y square, that is 2y dy, plus y square as it is, differential of x. Taking dy term on the right hand side and dx term on the left hand side, taking dy common from those terms and dx from right hand side, take this dx to the denominator and this term to the numerator. We have dy by dx is equal to a y square minus 4x cube over 2y into 1 minus x. And for the value of dx by dy, taking reciprocal on both sides, so left hand side will become dx by dy and right hand side will be 2y 1 minus x over y square minus 4x cube. 2y 1 minus x over y square minus 4x cube. The next part is xy minus natural log of x is equal to c. Xy minus natural log of x is equal to c. Taking differential d of xy minus d of natural log of x is equal to d of c. Derivative of c is 0. Here we use product rule. X as it is, differential of y, plus y as it is, differential of x, minus derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x with dx. Take dx term on the right hand side, taking dx common, 1 over x minus y, taking y LCM, we have 1 minus xy over x. This, when x goes to the right hand side of the denominator, become 1 minus xy over x square, and this dx goes to the left hand side denominator. So dx by dy is equal to x square over 1 minus xy. X square over 1 minus xy. Question number 3. Use differential to approximate the values of first part is fourth root of 17. फोर्थ रूट ऑफ 17. स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ आप लोगों ने ये देखना है कि कौन सी वैल्यू है जिसका फोर्थ रूट 17 के करीब करीब आता है. वो वैल्यू है हमारे पास 16. तो 16 में हमें कुछ ऐड करना पड़ता है या सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ता है कि हमारे पास क्या बने 17. तो 16 में हमें 1 को क्या करना पड़ेगा, ऐड करना पड़ेगा. तो x की वैल्यू हो जाएगी हमारे पास 16, dx या डेल x की वैल्यू आ गई हमारे पास 1. सपोज करते हैं कि अगर हमारे पास यहाँ 17 की जगह लिखा होता 15, तो फिर x तो हमारे पास होता 16, मगर dx या डेल x की जगह हम लोग क्या रिप्लेस करते -1. क्यों? क्योंकि हमने 15 बनाना है. तो जो हमारे पास क्वेश्चन होगा वो हम लोगों ने बनाना है और उसकी सेटिंग हम लोग करेंगे बाय dx. Y is equal to f of x, which is equal to x raised to power 1 by 4. X is equal to 16, dx or del x is equal to 1. Taking differential, x raised to power 1 by 4, applying the power rule, 1 by 4 x raised to power minus 4, 3 by 4 dx, 1 over 4 x raised to power 3 by 4 dx. Put the value, x is equal to 16 and dx is equal to 1. 16 can be written as 2 raised to power 4. This 4 cancel out with this 4. 2 cube is 8. 1 over 8 into 4 is 32. 1 over 32, that is 0.01325. We know that f of x plus dx is equal to y plus dy. Value of y is f of x, which is fourth root of x, and the value of x is 16. So fourth root of 16 plus value of dy. Value of dy is 0.03125. This 4 cancel out with this 4. Final answer is 2 plus 0.01325. So the fourth root of 17 will be approximately equal to 0.03125. You can check by using calculator. You can check this result by using calculator. Part number 3. Cos of 29. Let y is equal to f of x is equal to cos of x. And what is the value nearly equal to 29 from the table? We know that from the table we have 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90, which means that 30 degree is nearly equal to 29. So x is equal to 30 degree and we have to make 29. So delta x or dx is minus 1 degree, minus as it is, and this degree can be converted into radian. So pi by 180 rad or 0.01745. Applying the differential, y is equal to cos x, dy is equal to d of cos x minus sin x dx. Replace the value dy as it is, minus sin x. X is 30 degree and dx, the value of dx is minus 0.01745, and tan 30, sorry, sin 30 is 0.5 minus 0.5 minus 0.01745, that is 0.00875. We know that f of x plus del x is approximately equal to y plus dy. We replace the value of y, that is f of x, that is cos x, and cos x means that cos of 30 plus dy 0.00875. Cos 30 0.866 plus 0.00875. So answer is 0.8747, and you can say that cos of 29 is approximately equal to 0.8747. Cos of 29 is approximately equal to 0.8747. The next part is sine 61 degree. Same procedure, let y is equal to sine x. Let y is equal to sine x. And what is the value nearly equal to 61? That is 60. So x is equal to 60 and dx or del x is 1. Why? Because 60 plus 1 is 61. 1 degree means that pi by 180 radian, which is equal to 0.01745. Applying differential, dy is equal to d of sin x, and dy is equal to sin x, derivative is cos x dx. Replace the value. Cos x means that cos 60, dx means that 0.01745. Cos 60 is 0.5 into 0.01745, and we have dy is equal to 0.00875. 0.00875. Now f of x plus del x is approximately equal to y plus dy. What is the value of y? That is f of x. F of x means the sin x, and the value of sin x is sin 60, and the value of dy is 0.00875. Sin 60 is 0.866 plus 0.00875, which is 0.8747, or you can say that sine of 61 degree is approximately equal to 0.8747. You can check these results by using calculator. Your assignment is use differential to approximate the value of 14 square root of 49.5. What is the value nearly equal to 49.5 whose square root exists, and that is 49. So x is 49, then del x will be 0.5, and the remaining is your homework. The last question is find the approximate increase in the volume of cube if the length of edge changes from 5 to 5.02. Approximately increase in the volume of cube. Let x be the length of side of cube. Here if x is equal to 5 and del x is 5.02 minus 5, that is 0.02. Assume that we donate the volume of cube. So v is equal to x into x, that is x cube. Applying differential, dv is equal to 3x cube after applying the power rule dx. Replace the value of x, that is 5, and value of dx or del x, that is 0.02. We have dv is equal to 3 into 5 square into 0.02, and final answer is dv is equal to 1.5. Hence Increase in volume is 1.5 cubic unit. Increase in volume in 1.5 cubic unit. So your assignment is find the approximate increase in the area of circular disc if its diameter is increased from 44 centimeter to 44.4 centimeter. Approximate increase in the area of a circular disc. Area of a circular disc. Here x is 44. Del x is equal to 44.4 minus 44, that is 0.4. Let A is equal to, you have to write the area of a circular disc, then applying the differential, then applying the value, and you got the final result. This is your assignment. Thank you. If you have any questions, you can ask me anytime. Thank you and have a nice day.